Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss one topic with you, that is I have made a concept map for students on how to select a project topic. So whenever new students come in FY BSc, so we want to give them project, but they don't understand how to select one topic. So what they just go and Google a small project topic in zoology, like that, and that way they don't reach to the right place. So I have made this concept map, and I would like if you would also add your suggestions and comments so that I can it. So how to select a project topic? So first thing, they can find out that what problems they are facing. Either it can be individual or personal problem, or it can be a social problem or a scientific problem. So of course these three layers can overlap. There could be an individual problem which is also social and scientific, or a social problem which can also be individual and scientific. But then once they identify the problem, they have to design the hypothesis to find the solution to that particular problem. So for example, somebody could feel that waste disposal at their home is a individual problem, but it is also a social problem which can also be considered as scientific, and it can be solved by designing a hypothesis to find the solution. So this is one way they can move to design a problem. Or the other way is, if they cannot find a problem around them, they can find what is their interest, or what are the things by which they get fascinated. So maybe they can identify the knowledge gaps in that particular area. So if someone is reading or is fascinated by the maybe extreme, so if they are reading a lot in that particular area, they can identify what are the knowledge gaps, and accordingly they can design the experiment to fill the knowledge gap. Or they can, if they cannot knowledge gap, then they can just make a review of literature, and that could also be their project. So basically these project that I am going to discuss with them, or to give them, is for internal evaluation. So once they identify the project, there are some other things that they have to think about, that is whether the project is going to be in group or it will be individual project. Then they also have to decide whether it will be a field work, lab work, or combination of both. Then they will also be thinking about what are the resources available, and what are the resources that would be required for that particular project. So if they have enough lab space, if they have enough finance, or from where they can get finance, whether it will be self financed project or there are some grants that can help them. And of course the time, because it is a project for internal evaluation, they have to complete it within the semester. So these are also the points they have to consider for selecting the project topic. So this is how I have made this mind map, and I hope it will help students to find the title at least. So later the research methodology comes, that they have to do referencing and designing the experiment and all. But this mind map will only help them to decide the topic. So would you like to add something in this? Yeah, I have made it in general, like in even in zoology, I tell students that they can select any problem. It is just, it has to be some from which they can maybe design a hypothesis and find the solution. So it can be a problem of sociology or even humanities. So do you think I should add something? Sure, sure. Arti ma'am, you want to add something? Okay. Yes, yes. Okay. Uh-huh. Right. Right. Hmm. Yes, I agree to this. I will add this in the map. Yes. Hmm. Yes. Okay. Thank you.